Bum ba bum. What a lovely day. A nice day for a walk.
It sure is.
Hey, I wonder what's up here. Let's go for a little jog, alright?
That's what we're doing.
Oh, yeah.
Help me! Help me! My bird's stuck in the tree.
Can you show it to us?
Yep, it's right up there.
Ah, that's a problem.
Yes, help me. I love the bird.
Not to worry. I've got a gun I can use.
Choo, choo.
What the hell are you doing, you idiot? You killed the bird. Here, use this block. I'll be back.
Huh? What's that for?
More blocks. 5 minutes later. There we go. Now we got a nice ladder up to the bird. But come here, stupid bird. Whoa. Here's your bird.
Oh, thank you. I love this bird.
I know you do. Well, I'll be off. Thanks for an exciting day. Boom, 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 boom. Huh? What the?
I better run away.
That's the story of the Saving the Bird.